Hey everyone, it's your girl Joanna and welcome to my channel. I've been meaning to do this for a while and today is finally that day. I'm giving my desk a whole new setup. Guess what your girl got? Okay, alright, it's the new iMac. I've been working on my laptop for the longest time, for as long as I can remember, and it's slowing down on me a lot. It keeps freezing all the time, and I think it's just because the amount of editing that I do on it, the processor is just not fast enough. It can't handle the amount of stuff that I need to do. So I'm very fortunate and very lucky now to be able to get myself an iMac. I've never had a desktop before, nor have I really worked at a desk, mainly because I had a laptop. So with laptop, you can always move around wherever you want. I would literally just edit in bed, which made me very lazy. But now that I have a desktop and I need to actually place it on the desk. So that brings us here today, where I wanted to completely give my desk a makeover, have a complete new setup, and make that space more functional. I've never actually created a workspace like this before, so this is going to be very interesting and very new for me. I'm very excited about this, and I feel like just completely redoing this space is going to make me more motivated to actually work. So anyways, let's get into it. I feel like the first thing I gotta do is show you guys the before. So for the past few weeks, I've been collecting a bunch of stuff from Amazon and Target that I've been buying for my new desk setup. I wanted to show you and do kind of a unboxing of what I got. First thing I got is this headphone stand. That is locked in there. I got this so that I can put this. I got this headset from Target, their Heyday line. I believe these were only $30. It was $30 or $35, but pretty inexpensive. The color perfectly fits my aesthetic. I look like a gamer girl right now. I just wanted some comfortable headphones for editing. There were a lot of headphone holders, but I saw this one and I really liked it just because it has like this wire tray thing that I can just put this on. Another Target Heyday purchase is this desktop microphone. Okay, this is for when I do my voiceovers, but it matches perfectly with the headphones. Look how cute this is. I can actually do voiceovers with this little mic, but I mean they match, and I'm assuming this one's a lot more clear. The next thing I got, I actually already opened, but it's an acrylic holder. This one's from Amazon. By the way, I'm gonna link everything that I got down below in the description for anyone who's interested in. I got a new MacBook case. I literally got the same case that I got literally when I first got my laptop, and it lasted me this long, and it finally pretty much gave in and it broke, so I decided to buy the same one because I just really like the color. Yeah. It also comes with a keyboard cover. I got this desk pad mat. Tell me why it was so hard to find a desk pad mat that was in the color beige or like a nude color. It also kind of smells like permanent marker, which I kind of like actually. I got this acrylic desktop stand to place my this top on. Obviously, to match with this acrylic holder, this next thing I got, I'm not sure if I really want it or not. One of those desk storage adhesives, self-adhesive drawer. Place it under here. Pull out. Came with two. This last thing I got was definitely unnecessary, but it was so cute. I got a lamp, but not just any kind of lamp. A mushroom lamp. This was definitely something that was unnecessary, but so cute that I just had to have. So that's pretty much my desk haul, everything that I bought for this new desk setup. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and set it all up.
I'll be a shadow. You can take me to the greatest unknown. As long as I'm in your heart. I've been thinking about you all night. The way you look at me drives me crazy. Yeah, you drive me from the start. Whoa, let me be your shadow man. We can fly to Neverland. Let me be your shadow man. Whoa, let me be your shadow man. Darling, won't you take my hand? Let me be your shadow man. When you walk in, I get pulled in by your gravity. You're my missing piece. You make me feel complete. You've got the smile, you've got the style, you've got everything I dreamed. Your personality fits perfectly with me. Oh, let me.
These jeans are too tight to sit in. Anyways, I'm still gonna keep all of these boxes I got years ago because they're still good. I just gotta go through them and see what I want to keep. Who still has their iPhone case box thing that when they first got their phone? I don't need this, but do I?
Let me be your shadow man. We can fly to Neverland. Let me be your shadow man, shadow man. Let me be your shadow man.
I don't even want to show you guys this part because it's so embarrassing.
Let me be your shadow man.
Like, girl, these are all my receipts. Like, that's me right now. No, actually, that's more like me. This needs to be organized. This is my electronic area. Look at how I'm taking care of my cameras. This is so sad. Like, this is bad, bad.
The way you look at me drives me crazy. Yeah, you had me from the start. The words you speak so sweet as candy. Can't help but fall for you when you say hi to me. Make me freeze. You make me freeze. Wait. Whoa, let me be your shadow man. We can fly
So here it is. This is the after. I'm very excited to actually start working at my desk. Things are so much more organized, things are in place, and the goal is to keep it that way for a very, very long time. I'm gonna link as many things as I can in my description box down below so you guys can go ahead and check that out. If I'm missing something and I didn't link it, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my desk setup. I do actually have one more desk setup planned for the future. So if you guys want to be on the lookout for that, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you all next time. Bye!